remember every tear we fall. Oh Lord, it is still the call. Major Isaac Jasper Adaka Boro, voice of the forgotten people, son of the Delta waters. Hear the talking drum, hear the ancestors sing.
I make with the
Abundance, house pop, EDM, rich land, still the people poor. Oil from the soil, but hunger near the door. Teacher, leader, voice for the weak. Carry Delta, sorrow every day of the week. Them take from the river, take from the ground. Still many young dreams never truly found. Boro stand tall with truth in his eyes. Say the small people deserve to rise. From Olabiri to the creeks afar, hope starts shining like a midnight star. The whole nation hear the people cry, asking for fairness beneath the sky. Hear the mother singing by the riverside. Hear the children praying through the tide. If justice slow, who go speak today? Asawana, cry of the Delta people. Asawana, hope stronger than evil. Boro never fail. In memories we remain. Inside every struggle, inside every pain. Asawana, drums of truth a beat. Asawana, voices never retreat. Talking drum fills, emotional humming, breath that lives. Freedom, free the people, let the rivers heal. Them call him rebel, history call him brave. Standing for the people, many try to say. Then the civil war shadows cover the land. Still him answer duty with courage in hand. Serving Nigeria, yet guarding him home. A Delta son, wherever him roam. Near Ogu waters, rain falling slow. 1968 brings sorrow below. Till today, many still ask why. A great voice had to say goodbye. But legends live longer than stone. Through every generation, his story known. Ken Saro, we were carry the message flame. Mujahid Dokubo Asari speak him name. Many voices from the Delta shore still remember what he stood for.
And remain family. Today, we Orobo Youth celebrate with the Ijaw Nation. The Orobo Nation and the Ijaw Nation have been brothers and sisters, and we will remain.
No peace without fairness, no healing without care. The Delta, you deserve a share.
Comrade, blessed Ugere, please kindly come up here. Even when we are long gone, our younger ones will continue to observe and honor the sacred legacy of our hero.
Truth can never drown.